everyone, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair bright orange. I am so excited. It's going to be like a neon orange sort of thing. I have the Eyeshadow neon orange. I only have 2 packs of those, so I'm also going to be using some Arctic Fox, which is one of my favorite hair dye brands ever. I'm so excited. I do love my neon yellow, and I was debating going half and half, but I'm really ready for a change, so I just decided. I did some strand tests and they made me really excited for orange, so I'm just gonna do my hair orange and go with it. This is what the neon orange looks like. I'm so excited. I also ended up buying some lime crime hair dye, so I'll review that eventually too. So I'm gonna be using Arctic Fox Orange. I only have like a little bottle of this, so hopefully it'll work well. I did buy a big thing of Sunset Orange, which I wish I didn't because it's really red tone. So I'm not sure how this is gonna go. But I'm mainly using Orange and the Eyeshadow neon because I like neon hair. So yeah, I'm very excited. Let's do this. How my hair turned out. Oh my god, I love it. It's so bright. Now, as I did use 3 different hair dyes, I do want to talk about the different hair dyes. At the front, I used the Eyeshadow neon orange, and that's my favorite out of the 3. Eyeshadow is difficult for me to get simply because I have to order it off of Sally's and shipping's expensive, so I'm not a big fan of that. That's why I only did a little bit of it, but honestly, this is my favorite color out of the 3. It's just so neon and bright. So when I re-dye my hair, I'm going to be re-dyeing it all neon orange for sure. And then like over in here, as you guys can see, the yellow stood out a lot. So it's like more of a like light tone of orange, but I still really do like it. I think that Orange and Sunset Orange mixed together is a good combination because Orange is way too light on its own and Sunset Orange is way too red, in my opinion. I hated when I had red hair. Like, it makes me scream when I look back. I just hated it. I literally I hated it. Not for me. But orange though, like I wanted a yellow based orange, and since my hair is already yellow, I think I got that really well. I do really prefer the neon orange, so I'm gonna stick with neon orange for a while, but I do really like how it turned out. I'm actually really excited. At first when it was drying, I was like, I had my hair braided and I just kept looking at it and I was like, it looks cool, but I don't know how I feel, you know, with my face, but I like it a lot, so I'm excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Like this video, subscribe. Also, I will be doing a review on all the orange hair dyes that I use, so keep a lookout for that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I'm gonna talk to the camera now.
Okay, weirdo.